Men only want one thing, and it's not money, it's not power.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't teach you how to access data inside array, list, or string using index notation. Today, I will give you one small test to see if you understand wetin we dey talk. Look this question for 1 second and see if you fit answer am. So basically, wetin dey ask you na say, wetin be the second index notation for text and wetin be the first for num? I tell you say if you dey look index notation, you go start with 0. That means say this A will be the first, my the 0, and this B will be the second, my 1. This C will be the third, my A be 2. And if we go the second variable long, this 7 might be 0, and this A might be 1. So basically, they ask us, what will be the solution of the third index of text, which is text 2, plus the second index of num, which is num 1. The third index of text, text 2, na C, and the second index of num 1, na 8. So the solution na C8. I will explain more programming concepts like this for my videos, so don't forget to like, share, and follow. Thank you for your attention to this matter.